Hello sir, this is Rakusa speaking. My name is Mark Enrique Pampanga. How may I help you?
Hello, I would like to inquire a room.
May I know your name and contact number? And may I ask, how many packs are you with?
My name is Julian De Vera, and I don't have kids with me. My contact number is 0919-432-4796.
Single bed for one person, twin bed for one each, when paired, two people total. Double bed for two people, queen bed for two adults, king bed for one adult, can add one small child. California bed for two adults plus two child, up to four total. Hollywood king bed is for 4 to 5 people, family size. The king bed sir has air-conditioned room, free Wi-Fi access and a private bathroom with a bathtub that includes the buffet. May I ask your room preference we have?
I like a king's bedroom with a view.
The room rate is 3,800 per night. Would you like to continue this type of room, sir?
Yes, I would like that.
For the reservation, sir, what mode of payment do you like to use?
I would use GCash payment as the payment method.
Okay, sir. Here's the QR code for the payment.
I already sent the screenshot of the payment.
A few moments later.
The payment has been confirmed, Sir De Vera, for your reservation. Thank you. Okay, sir. The booking has been done to the name of Julian De Vera for one adult.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
1 week later.
Hello.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Riracos Hotel. May I help with your things?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, sir. Sir, you may proceed to the front desk.
Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Hello, sir. Welcome to Riatsu Hotel. What can I help you for today?
I would like to check in.
May I have an ID for checking the reservation? Thank you, sir. I will wait. I will check the reservation. Sir, the reservation is confirmed. The check-in time is 1. You can wait in the lobby, and in the meantime, someone will assist you in the room. Here's the key to the room, sir. Thank you.
Two hours later.
Good afternoon, sir. It's already 1 p.m. I will assist you to your room.
Okay po. Thank you po. May I ask what is the amenities of this room?
Sir, as you can see, you have own vault. The password is 000 and there's a key over there. And also, this is your refrigerator that you can use.
May I ask what is the Wi-Fi password?
The Wi-Fi password is written on the left of the table.
Thank you. May I ask what is the entertainments in this hotel?
Sir, in Riracos Hotel, we have gym, basketball court, fancy restaurant, swimming pool, and casino. Anything else, sir?
Nothing else.
Sir, just to inform you, front desk and housekeeping office is 24/7 hours. To call housekeeping, just press 111.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
A few moments later.
Housekeeping. Housekeeping, ma'am, sir. Housekeeping, ma'am, sir. I will come in.
Two hours later.
Hello? Front desk?
Hello, sir. What can I help you?
Yes, I will order 1 bottle water to be delivered in room 301.
A bottle water from room 301. Okay, sir. I will just deliver it to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Housekeeping. May I deliver bottled water from room 301? Okay, thank you.
A few moments later.
Yes?
Hi sir, this is your bottled water.
Oh, thank you.
Anything else sir?
Nothing else. Thank you.
Welcome sir. Sir? Is there person in here? Sir? Night down turn service po? Sir?
Yeah. Hello? Yes?
Sir, housekeeping po.
Yes, anong gagawin nyo?
Night turn down service po, sir.
Okay po.
May I
Okay,
enter?
you may go.
Okay, sir.
I just want to clean the dishes. That's all. By
Sure,
request. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Sir, it's all done.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
The next day.
Okay, sir, your room is already checked out. I will just call the housekeeping to check if the room is something is lost. Hello, housekeeping. Can you check the room 301 if something is lost? Hello, housekeeping. The room is clean? Okay, thank you. Okay, sir, the room is already checked out and nothing is lost. Okay. Thank you for staying in the Relax Hotel. Thank you.
Thank you.